I'm currently short in Bitcoin. I'm in short in Bitcoin a couple of positions. I'll walk you through what I have trading here, starting top down. Starting here on the daily chart. Let's back up a little bit more on that. So here on the daily chart, you can see Bitcoin delivering here to the sell side overall. We're getting pullback here, some consolidation, and then some sell side delivery, and again consolidation here, and getting some pullback. But overall here, I'm looking at this swing low and this swing high here. So my current overall short trade here on the daily is based off of this structure here, and now price pulling back here, and I would anticipate price to redeliver here to the sell side overall. Here on the 1 hour chart, here price has began to deliver here to the buy side, putting in a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high here, sweeping out any buy side liquidity in this area here, being swept out. With that, I take this entry here and looking for a continuation to the sell side for liquidity to be reached here and here. So here at the equilibrium and this bullish fair value gap, looking for liquidity in this area here, and also looking for liquidity at the end of the swing low here. So this being the swing high, and this being the swing low on the 1 hour chart. And let's say look at equilibrium. So looking at covering equilibrium and the full extent of the range here on these two trades. Let's pull this up here. So looking for so I'm going to adjust these targets, but I've got this target way down here at the low here of what was this sell leg, but I can likely move that target up to here just in case price wants to return to the buy side. Also with that additional order here at this level, likely going to move that up to this level here. And then I'm going to come over to the 5 minute. I'll walk you through my entry here. So we can see price delivering here to the buy side, putting in a high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and then it's consolidating in this area, then putting in this lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then I'm getting this consolidation in this area right here. And through that consolidation, you're starting to see price starting to shift here to the sell side here, with a market structure shift here to the sell side. With that, overall, what triggered my entry was here. So you can see price put in this low, then put in this high, sweep, and then put in this low, sweeps this is, or sweep and close below. This is the change in the state of delivery level. This is the level where I look to take an entry, and when I get that body candle close in this candle here, this following candle pulls back and gives me these entries here. I'm going to adjust my take profits at these levels that I was just mentioning here. So I'm going to take this level of this current trade, and this level I'm going to substitute for my other position here. Let's do this. Bring that there. And bring this position here. So high here is 67,964. 67,964. Okay, now those positions are modified. So I wanted to adjust those positions just because the overall trend here, if we look here on the daily chart, the overall trend here is still to the sell side here. And if we look here on the 1 hour chart, you can see overall price delivering here to the sell side here. So you can see this sell side delivery coming in here, and now just starting to see this shift here to the buy side here. So either looking for a price to come here and return to the buy side, could come down here, return to the buy side, or could continue delivering here to the sell side. So I just want to get in the way of profits on the way down if at all possible. So for a revisit here, looking at these take profits, and I'll show these here on the 5-minute chart. So looking for a take profit here at 67,964 here. Additionally, looking for a second potential take profit down here at 66,797.7, which would be the swing low here on the 1 hour chart. So about equilibrium here and the swing here. And then this is that swing high right here. So we'll see how this price action plays out, see if this entry will allow for a take profit here and a continuation to the sell side. And then for that position here on the daily here to the sell side, I mentioned targeting that swing low. I pulled that trade up, and that's targeting the 59,811.2 level right here, where there's sell side liquidity resting below this level. So looking to target that with the price delivery algorithm. So seeing this sell side, seeing pullback, then I'm just looking for a continued sell side here, and looking for these positions to take profit along the way here if price is able to redeliver back here to the sell side after putting in this buy side delivery here. But price has played around quite a bit today. We'll see if price has any continuation here to the sell side. If I come up here to my history for today, you'll see I took a loss here during the London session, and then I took a second loss here during the London session. This loss here is valid. This loss here invalid. There was no change in the state of delivery. There was no change in the state of delivery on that position here. So this position here is not a position I would take again. There was a market structure shift but not a change in the state of delivery. So I tried to take a position with a market structure shift, and it didn't work. So I'm going to stick with my change in the state of delivery level. So this is a loss that I wouldn't look to take again. And then I had an issue with my broker here where I had an order that didn't trigger, and then orders triggered. So I was trying to put on, or I had a limit order set. That limit order didn't trigger. Then I tried to go in manually a few times, and then all of the orders set at once. So that's why there's a bunch of orders in here, and then you see these positions right here. So these were me exiting those positions, those extra positions, and then I left one of them on. So I have two, or at least there were 4 positions, and then this are 2 of them that are left over here that I'm currently in and looking to deliver to the take profit levels that I previously mentioned. But that's trading for you. It's difficult to have a completely clean day without some type of trader error or some type of mechanical or broker error or something happening that's going to affect the psychology. So to me, just immediately finding myself over my desired risk amount, put this trade at risk, not just for losing, but for losing more of an account percentage than I would prefer to. Currently, this trade is moving in my direction, so we'll see if I'm able to take advantage of this error so far, being able to exit the majority of, or exit most of the positions that I was in due to my broker having some issues with order execution, and now just seeing if I can trade this through to take profit. So we'll see what happens here moving forward with price action. Price is delivering here to the sell side overall, and we'll see if there's any continuation here. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.